Hey everybody, I've got something to replace either today or tomorrow. This is the Veise RZA Keypad digital deadbolt. I had one on my back door going out to the pool for years. There was a slage, and unfortunately, even though I've changed the batteries when they needed to be changed, the slage no longer works. It was just a crummy product altogether. Right now in here, we've got user manual, installation manual, warranty, and a template. Now I won't need a template because I've already got one there and it's all set. So, what else do we have in this beauty? Well, we got everything in one box. What do we got here? Some packing, good packing. Good packing. We've got the deadbolt latch itself. We've got the strike plate, which we already have. Assorted screws and bolts, things of that sort. And this is the backing plate. That's where you're going to put your batteries. You're going to mount this and then put your batteries in here. And then this cover will come off. Batteries, and you'll be screwing that right through there, I believe. I'm not really sure yet because we haven't read the directions, but it seems as though that's what it's going to be. Oh, wait a minute. This is, I wasn't expecting this. This is it's all plastic. This is all plastic. And I actually expected this to be the color of the door lock, which is this here. That's what I was expecting. That's not what I got. So now I am going to contemplate on whether or not to send this back, because initially, right off the bat, I don't like the fact that these don't match. I've got stainless on the inside of the door, a brushed nickel. I would expect this to be brushed nickel. I did not realize this was this. This is not what I signed up for. So I'll have to think about it. But if I happen to do an install video, it means I'll keep it. But I'm hesitant at this point. Stay tuned.